Hello everybody, this is Ebony Glowhand Mented Mentor, and if you do not know already, Mented Cosmetics is a Black-owned, vegan, and cruelty-free cosmetics brand. And today I have a very special surprise for you because Mented just launched their Color Intense eyeshadow sticks. Y'all look at this. The packaging is so cute. There are 4 colors and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. So first we have Rosy Posy, and one thing about Mented is they're always gonna have a really cute name for their products. Here she is, this is the packaging. Ugh, I love an eyeshadow stick. Ooh, you see it can roll out and retract back in. Now let's swatch her. Oh wow, that's very creamy. Let me get a little thicker. Rosy Posy, very pretty. Pink with what looks like silver shimmer. Cute. Next we have Pretty Penny. This is Pretty Penny. Let's swatch her. Ooh, that's a really pretty copper. Gorgeous. These are so creamy, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Like, one thing about Mented is they're always gonna have like A1 quality cream products. Like, all the products be A1, but when it comes to cream, when it comes to a cream product, no one does it like Mented. So next we have Better Off Bronze. And this is what she swatches like. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to use this one. I think this will be the one I use today. Wow, that's so pretty. And our last shade is Deja Brew. So let's see what Miss Deja Brew is gonna swatch like for us. Oh, wow. See, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting that. But I'm so glad we have a dark, smoky color. And this one does not have shimmer. So this is just like a really deep, oh, you know, this would actually also make a great lip liner. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so excited to use these. Okay, so here are all the colors. We have Rosy Posy, Pretty Penny, Better Off Bronze, and Deja Brew. Okay, so now that I've shown you guys all the colors, my face is already prepped and all I need to do is my eyes. So let's do a quick application. We're gonna start off with Better Off Bronze. So I love how like this applies directly in my crease. Like, it's the perfect shape to create cool shapes and do like very interesting graphic liner. Mented knew what they were doing when they gave us Color Intense eyeshadow sticks. Like, this is gorgeous. Let's do the other eye. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I'm too stunned to speak. Like, a look like this would typically take me 30 minutes on one eye. I'm not even lying. I did this in 10 minutes. You see how bold and pigmented this eye look is? You see the material. Run, do not walk. Get these Color Intense eyeshadow sticks. They are crease proof, they are waterproof. I didn't have to do any blending with any brushes. Like, I literally just used these in my fingers. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this look. Until next time, keep on glowing.